Once there was a tortoise who wanted to move to a new home. He asked an eagle to carry him there, promising a rich reward. The eagle agreed and grabbed the tortoise by the shell with her talons. As they flew, they met a crow who said, "Tortoise is good eating." The eagle said, "The shell is too hard," but the crow replied, "The rocks will crack the shell soon." Taking this hint, the eagle dropped the tortoise on a sharp rock. The two birds had a hearty meal of the tortoise. The moral: never soar high on the wings of an enemy.